Good morning. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Hope everybody's doing okay. Blessings to everybody. Thank you for returning, for viewing. Hopefully, those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. You can check the playlist for other videos. Today we have a post review for DIY shoes. These are canvases that I have been doing for a little while, little by little, and here they are. Here is the first one. These turn out pretty. This one you can look at from far away. Like right now I'm looking from the camera viewfinder. It looks nice, it looks well defined and everything, but when you're doing it, God, Jesus, it look like a blah, 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 blah. You don't have no definition. And look at how shiny the drills are. And I seal my diamond painting with Mod Podge. I don't seal it with anything else. And look, it turns out a little bit stiff, which is better for framing. And here are the drills, doesn't lose their shine like some other people think, but it's because when you pass them up Podge, you have to use a wet towel and get the Mod Podge out of the top of the drills. Okay. So here it is. One of these days I'll do another video of it. Okay. I have a video about how I seal my diamond paintings, but here it is, how shiny my drills are. How shiny they are, okay? Here is this one. This one, I love it. This one is so beautiful. Take a look at this. And again, look at the shine of the drill. Oh, this one has been already sealed with Mod Podge. I use the gloss luster, but I don't leave it on the top. I wipe it out. And the one that goes in between the drills, that's the one that you leave in there. Here it is. Beautiful, beautiful. You have to do it with a brush. I use the same marble brush. I like the definition. I like the colors on this one. Very elegant. This one is good for a bathroom. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. And this one, I know we are out of season, but take a look at this one. This is a goof one. Life is better at the beach. Yeah, you can say that. Take a look at the shine of all those drills. Also, this one I use Mod Podge. Take a look at this. Do, 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 do. I like these flip-flops. They're goofing up. These are, you know, big drills, special drills. This one is my favorite because I like the combination of colors. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I love it. DIY shoe, thank you for these beautiful canvas and drills. This one I didn't have any problem with the drills. They are all beautiful. And take a look at this one. Ha! My bulky. Oh, I used to have a bulky like this when I was stationed in Germany. This brings me so much memory. Take a look at this. Never have problem with the post review, with the drills, special drills. I also seal this with Mod Podge. Take a look at this. Oh, I love it. I love it. I had a bulky. We call it bulky. Volkswagen. This one only had 12. But look at how beautiful it turned out. Beautiful special drills. And last but not least, take a look at this one with the tulips. Also remind me of Germany, where my landlord gave me a bouquet of tulips for my birthday along with a bottle of wine from 1952, I believe. A 30 years old bottle of wine. They had a wine cellar with good years wine. Good years and bad years. They just, oh, take a look at this. Beautiful. I had so much fun on these ones. So much fun. So let me show you again the parade of beautiful canvas already done. Okay. Take a look at this one too. This one is my favorite for a bathroom, of the 30 by 40. This one. I love the definition in the butterfly. You can see the body of the butterfly. Beautiful. And the flowers. The beach, for the beach goers. I mean, for the beach goers. For the people who go to the beach, who love the beach. Or a beach house. That would be nice. This one for a beach house. Life is better at the beach. Then we have, let me drink a little bit of Diet Coke. I'm thirsty. Then we have my Volky. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All of those special drills. Let me put you closer to it. Very well, very well. You see, when you pass them up, Pochi even gives a shine to the canvas. It even gives a shine to the canvas. Take a look at this one. The red truck with the tulips. Beautiful tulips. Well, folks, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And share. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.